What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video. On this video, I'm gonna actually fly through a how-to on how to convert some of the stable coins onto other chains so that you don't have to spend time or try to figure it out yourself. Guys, this is a quick video. Before we get started, I do want to remind you guys, please hit the like, hit the subscribe, and come check out some of my other videos. I think I have great content. Some of it is time sensitive. A lot of it has made me a lot of money, so I think it will make you money if you do your own research and actually feel comfortable investing. Okay, guys, everything's going to be starting wherever I on-ramp my fiat, and for me that happens to be Coinbase. Coinbase is a very easy place, especially if you're a U.S. citizen, to get, turn your actual dollars into crypto. So that's my starting place. I know that for some of you guys, you're not in the U.S., so probably for you guys it's Binance or maybe another one. But wherever you start, guys, make sure that you send your money to the following places. Okay, in the first place that we're going to go to is FTX. So let's pretend I just sent Ethereum from here to my deposit address for my FTX wallet. Then I go into my FTX wallet. I'm in my FTX wallet here. I'm going to go to Ethereum. I'm going to hit convert. Let's pretend I want to go to Solana first. So in that case, I'm going to need to change this to USDT. I want to use USDT on Solana. I change or I put in the amount of ETH I want to convert. I click convert. Then it will immediately converted. So you'd already see the USDT here now that you just converted, and now I'm going to withdraw that USDT that I just converted, and then you put in the details at the top there, and then at the bottom it's going to tell you where do you want to or what network do you want to withdraw this to. I have three options: Ethereum as ERC20, Tron as TRC20, or Solana as SPL. In this case I would use Solana, and then I would just send it out to my Phantom wallet in this case, right? So that just showed you three different places that we can go to, right? We can go to, let me pull that back up again, ERC20, Ethereum, Tron, and Solana. And then the fourth place that I like to come here for is also BUSD, right? So if I needed to have BUSD on the Binance Smart Chain, I can withdraw things as BUSD. For that, you don't convert into USDT. In that case, let's go back to the Ethereum. I go to convert by Ethereum. I would just convert it into USD, just USD. That's the native FTX coin for a stable coin. I convert it to that, and then I go up here to USD, hit withdraw, and then I can withdraw it as USDC, BUSD, and all these other ones, which I'm not even sure what they are, but BUSD is the one that's important to me. I click on that, and then down here you can see I can withdraw it as BUSD on these three networks: Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, BEP20, and also Binance Chain, which is BEP2, right? So guys, this is why I think FTX is so powerful. It's a good hub for you guys to quickly get onto other chains if you needed to do that for investing. Because in the case of Bluezilla, right, you're gonna need USDT on Tronbat. You're gonna need BUSD on BSCPad. You're going to need BUSD on ADAPad as well. So guys, there's different places, different currencies or different networks that you're going to need to have your stablecoins on. Keep that in mind. Okay, and lastly, and again, I'm shooting this off the hip. I'm not really making any editing to this video, but lastly, if KCCPad, I've had several people ask me already, how do I invest in KCCPad or allocate on KCCPad because you need KCC USDT. There are two easy ways to do this. One, use your on-ramp and then send money into KuCoin. You need to have a KuCoin account to do this, but essentially once you have your money in KuCoin, if you send ETH in here, for example, you'd need to go to spot trading first and actually sell the ETH for USDT. But you want to get USDT into KuCoin, and then once you have that USDT in KuCoin, you can actually withdraw it. And in the network you can select is KCC one of them, right? You can also do Ethereum, Tron, Algorand, and EOS, but KCC would be the network here if you're going the KuCoin route and if you're trying to invest on KCC pad. That's one. But guys, before IDOs, especially Bluezilla KCC pad IDOs, this always gets bogged down. I've tried to do this before about 2 hours prior to the IDO going public or live, and I was unable to get that to complete within a 2 hour time frame, right? Because it was bogged down. Everybody was doing it. So let me show you guys a workaround to that. So in the event that you are trying to get USDT onto the KCC network and it is around the time of an IDO, please make sure you don't use KuCoin because it's going to get bogged down, as I was saying. The workaround for that is to use two decentralized exchanges. But before we jump to those, the first thing we would do is actually buy KCC pad on PancakeSwap. So we would go into PancakeSwap, we would buy KCC pad. All right, with the KCC pad that we've just bought, we then go to the first decentralized exchange on the KCC Binance or KCC Smart Chain, which is KCC Swap. Here you will take your KCC's pad and convert it to KCS, which is the KuCoin KuCoin Smart Chain token, essentially, right? Just like ETH is for Ethereum. This is the KuCoin token. Once you have your KCS, and guys, I'm going to leave all these links in the description. Check them out. Once you have KCS, you then go to CoffeeSwap, another decentralized exchange where you can now exchange your KCS for USDT. And keep in mind, this is all on the KuCoin chain. The transaction fees are minimal. They're non-existent. It's like 0.0001, maybe 3 or 4 zeros. It's crazy. So don't worry about any of that. This is actually very efficient. And as I was saying, I feel like a lot of times I actually end up with more money after I've done all this. It's kind of weird. Maybe they're paying me for all the hassle. But you can see, guys, this is a workaround. And obviously, it also shows us that we're very early in the cryptocurrency game, which makes me very excited because I'm heavily invested and I cannot wait what this game is going to bring us in the future. Guys, and that is where I'm going to leave it. I hope you liked the video. I hope this is very helpful. Guys, hit the like, hit the subscribe, help the YouTube algorithm. I need the likes to get more people in front of more people, and I know I got the content that people would like to see, and I know I got the content that's going to help generate some life-changing wealth. So help me get in front of those faces. I really appreciate you for doing that. Again, see you in the next video. I am out. Peace.